Hello and welcome to the session. In this session, we will provide a detailed guide on identifying the components of LED and LCD TVs and understanding how to dismantle them safely. Join us as we navigate the structure and design of these modern televisions.
Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to identify the indicators and controls of an LCD or LED TV, remove the back panel cover of the LCD or LED TV, and identify the internal sections and test the TV after finding the faults. Let's first explore LCD and LED TVs. LCD and LED televisions, featuring sleek designs and advanced technology, offer superior performance compared to older CRT televisions. By connecting to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, these TVs seamlessly transition into smart TVs, offering a world of interactive and connected entertainment experiences. LCD and LED TVs may seem similar, but their main differences lie in backlighting technology and panel thickness. While LCD TVs use fluorescent lamps and typically have thicker panels, LED TVs utilize energy-efficient light-emitting diodes. While there are differences, it is important to note that most components remain the same across both types of televisions. Next, let's see the indicators and controls of LCD and LED TV. The front panel indicators and controls of an LCD and LED TV are power button, input button, home button, OK button, program button, and volume control button. Let us briefly look at each of these indicators and controls. Power button. This button is used to turn on or off the LED or LCD TV. Input button. This button is used to switch between different input sources like HDMI or USB. Home button. This button is used to return the user to the main menu. OK button. The OK button is used to confirm selections. Program button. The program button is used to navigate through different channels or programs. Volume control button. The volume control button adjusts the sound level. Next, let's see the different input or output and audio or video connectors in the TV. These include HDMI or High Definition Multimedia Interface, USB or Universal Serial Bus, AV or Audio and Video, RF or Radio Frequency, Component Video, Optical Audio Out, VGA or Video Graphics Array, Program, and Headphone Jack. Let's look at each of these briefly. HDMI or High Definition Multimedia Interface. HDMI allows for high-definition audio and video signals using HDMI cable. USB or Universal Serial Bus. USB enables connectivity with external storage devices. AV or Audio Video. This is used to connect legacy devices such as DVD players through RCA cable 3RCA 3RCA. RF or Radio Frequency. This is used to connect cable or antenna signals to the TV. Component Video. These connectors are used to transmit high-quality analog video signals, typically in the form of YPBPR or YCBCR signals. Optical Audio Out. This is used to connect TV sound to HD or soundbar and gives best sound clarity. VGA or Video Graphics Array. This is used for compatibility with computer, gaming consoles, and TV. Program. This connector allows for serial communication, including firmware update, remote control integration, etc. Headphone jack. It is used for connecting wired headphones. Let's now look at the tools and equipment required for dismantling the LCD or LED TV. We will need the following tools and equipment: trainee toolkit 1 set, magnifier lens 1 number, LCD or LED TV 1 number, and set-top box with user manuals 1 number. We will need the following materials and components: HDMI cable 2 numbers, RCA cable 1 set, optical cable 1 number, coaxial cable 1 set. Next, let's see the procedure for dismantling the LCD or LED TV. Keep all tools, equipment and materials ready. Now, let's see how to access the internal components of the TV. To begin, disconnect all cables from the television and proceed to remove the back panel. Locate the screws or fasteners that secure the back panel to the television's frame. These are usually found along the edges of the back cover. Using an appropriate screwdriver, begin unscrewing these fasteners methodically. Keep the screws in a safe place as you remove them, as they will be necessary for reassembling the unit. Carefully lift the cover away to expose the internal components of the TV for further inspection. Here is a safety tip. It is advisable to do this gently to avoid damaging any internal components or the casing itself. Remove the protective cover from the T-con board by unscrewing the screws. Once the back panel cover is removed, you will gain access to the internal sections of the TV, including the power supply unit, main board, and display panel. Let us now locate the internal sections of the TV. Power supply board. Located towards the lower part of the TV, this board is responsible for converting AC input power from the wall socket into DC power, supplying the necessary voltage and current to the TV's internal components. Main board. Usually found at the center of the TV, the main board, also known as the motherboard, is the central processing unit of the television. It controls audio, video, and user interface functions, ensuring the TV operates correctly and efficiently. Speakers. Integrated into the sides or bottom part of the television frame, the speakers are the audio output source, enabling viewers to hear sound directly from the TV. IR and buttons. Situated on the side edge of the TV, this area houses the infrared sensor for remote control reception and manual control buttons, allowing for user interaction with the TV. Panel. The front and most prominent part of the TV, the panel is the display screen that presents images and videos. For LCD and LED TVs, this is where the liquid crystal display or light-emitting diodes provide the visual output. Backlight. The backlight illuminates the display panel, ensuring brightness and visibility of images on the screen. T-con board. Typically placed at the top center or back of the TV, this board manages the timing and control of the display panel, ensuring proper synchronization of pixels for accurate image reproduction. Take time to inspect each internal section carefully, looking for any signs of damage, loose connections, or burnt components that may indicate a fault. As you can see here, there is a cable disconnected from the power supply to the main board. We need to connect it and test the TV. Now let's reassemble the back cover. Carefully align the back cover with the TV's frame and secure it in place by tightening the screws. Ensure the cover is fitted securely without any gaps. Plug the television into the AC socket. Switch on the TV using remote. Check if all connections are secure and that the devices are receiving power.
This brings us to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to identify the indicators and controls of an LCD or LED TV, remove the back panel cover of the LCD or LED TV, identify the internal sections and test the LCD or LED TV after finding faults. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next session.